Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Wix account in 2020. It's really easy to do, but before we get started, I'm just going to let you guys know I do have a full Wix playlist down in the comments as well as in the description. Just a bunch of little tips and little help that you guys can use if you need help on using Wix. Anyways, I'll show you guys how to delete your account here. All you have to do is go up to the top right where you see your account name, click on that, and then just click on account settings. And then once you're on this page here under account settings, you can scroll down and you'll see close your account. And it basically just says to close your account, first move any remaining sites to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you'll need to cancel or transfer them first. So you just want to click on learn more. And then it will break down what to do depending on where you're at. So if you don't have any domains to transfer or anything like that, you can go ahead to this last step right here. But if you have some domains or a premium account that you have to either cancel or transfer, you want to go through these steps right here, and they'll break them down for you with links that you can just click on. So it's very easy for you to do that way. But anyways, just to the bottom here, if you want to close your account, and then it will just say to make sure you're signed into your Wix account like I am right now. And then step 2, you want to click on this little blue link. And then right here, once you click on this button, it will close your Wix account. I'm personally not going to do that right now. But anyways, that's how you do it if you're looking to do that. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.